20,000 pounds, 120 psi boost, 3,800 horsepower. Playing with fire. A lot of times we get to see these guys going down the track, but you don't get to see what's under the hood very often. So check out these big filters. And they have the screens in the top so you can see if they're staying clean or not. It's down in there. But what catches your eyes when you're walking up isn't those filters. It's that big guy. How big is it? There's a can of Coke. And it doesn't even come close to fit. I think that's a 7-inch inlet. Big single turbo. That is a massive. Now I think these some of these motors can be 1,000 cubic inches, which again is huge. You see a big intercooler up front. The quick disconnect hoses, so they can take it apart, do service on it. Everything is set up for serviceability on that motor. And we'll walk around the other side so you can see that beautiful paint job. A handsome guy. Look at that big pump. Yeah, impressive piece of equipment. And what do they put all that power down with? Well, they got these Bridgestones back here. There's the air systems. Because the regular air is disabled. They can adjust the pressure in their tires. It's interesting. Externally, they can only do it by walking up and plugging it in right there. Here's what the drawbar looks like on one. So yeah, very impressive piece of equipment. Everything is obviously heavy duty on it. And I did notice something. There are two pumps on this. There's a pump here on the outside and a pump on the inside. That's amazing. They are, from what I was just told, these are locomotive pumps. So they actually make them run slower. So they gear drive them down here in the front and run two pumps. And it takes 185 horsepower just to run the pump, because it pumps so much fuel for this big, massive engine. These big rigs have been looking under the hood, you know, because there's a lot of really impressive equipment under the hood. But let's check out some of this old Peterbilt. Let's see what it looks like inside. Check out that leather interior. But I'd like to check out the. We'll swing around the other side, check that out. I was not ready for the seat, so I had to come around. Those are aluminum rods, connecting rods. 6 of them there. So that's a little bit of an expensive. It's a expensive chair support right there, but I love it. That's awesome. And the dash up there is pretty good looking. Did a nice job with that. All pleated up top. And then you saw the door panels when I was coming up. So yeah, really good looking rig. Keeps it nice, clean, simple. We'll check out the back end of it here. And here's the drawbar. What is it, an 18-inch drawbar? What's your drawbar set at for the big trucks? Really clean rig. I love the seat. You can see how they adjust the suspension here. Yeah, really nice setup. Love the old Peterbilts. couple more good-looking Peterbilts here. And actually, this one calls himself a cat. But definitely good-looking rig.
Wisconsin, the Crazy KW. Showman was here to see what we could what we're capable of. Never know. Yeah, absolutely. Well, I bragged on you point break this effort.
checking out Rubber Duck. Big Mack truck. Got the little rubber ducky on the front. And it's got a Cummins power. It's Mack. 1,150 cubes. Monstrous. Comes off the line about 35 to 3,800 RPMs. And actually, that is almost about the same amount of horsepower this beast produces. It's about 3,500 to 3,800 horsepower. There's our little rubber ducky. And this bad boy has a Cummins motor with a cat pump. And 125 PSI of boost. We'll go back over there so you can see that big turbo that's producing all that boost. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, pretty amazing. Just fun watching these big trucks in action. 3,000 plus horsepower, 3,000 plus RPMs, 100 PSI plus boost with one turbo. Impressive. Okay, this semi rig was built by a tractor puller, I'm guessing. Because look at that front end. You see where that front tire's moved almost all the way forward, as far as you can go. And that's a modified tractor thing you'll see a lot. You get every ounce of weight forward. See, the motors move quite a bit forward too. So, very interesting. You'll have to see how this guy does. That big intercooler in front. And a big turbo on it. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this big old truck does. Firestone tires. Look at all the weight on the back. Some have weight boxes and some have weights. There's the hitch. But yeah, good looking rig too.
number 3 last night here in Bowling Green.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.